It is so easy for you to get carried away with your daily routine. You work so hard, forgetting that you're human, forgetting that you need to rest until finally this happens. I am so tired. My whole back is killing me. It has been such a stressful week. I don't know. I'm even so tired. I don't even I don't have the energy to have my bath. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am so tired. I just feel extremely tired. From being tired, you become demotivated. Worst case scenario, you finally break down. But remember, living is only for the living. Welcome to my selfish pamper routine. Guys, hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maryann Okonkwo. I make videos about productivity, lifestyle, building a career in the US, and just about my side hustles. I'm really excited about today's video, and I got inspired by a YouTube video that I watched online, and it's basically me just showing you guys like a pamper routine. And I'm going to be getting so I got like some bubble baths yesterday, but that finished because I don't know what's wrong with all this bubble stuff. It doesn't really bubble as much as you would want. So I'm going to Marshall's. I'm going to get like some foot masks, some scrubs, some rod for the cutting, because the study room currently has like a sheer white curtain, as you guys have seen before, but I want it to be blackout. Like I want to be inside studying and not fearing that somebody outside is watching me, you know. So that's what we're going to be doing. And then I have a potential client coming in at 2. I have a feeling she might not show up. I'm not really banking on her, but just in case, I want to be at home should she decide to show up. I usually do collect deposit, but just yesterday I already given up. I know she most likely won't come, so I didn't bother collecting deposit from her. I don't want to be chopping her money. Anyways, that's what I'm going to be doing. I am almost done studying. I plan on doing my correlation and regression quiz in the next like 2 hours or something, so I can finish that. If I'm really in the mood, I plan to do my A/B testing experiment quiz as well today or this weekend. So next week I'm just focusing on data analysis. Then after that, I think that's pretty much everything. I'm so excited because it just feels surreal. Like in 2 weeks we're going to be rounding off like this semester. Like it just like when did I start and when am I finishing? So it's just really fast, you know. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly check in with you guys. I'm going to be wearing this shirt because I just like big stuff that are comfortable. I don't like things like really hugging my body, especially because I have a big tummy, so it's not really flattering on like a tight outfit. So I'm just gonna put on some sweatpants and then I'll start heading out. I don't anticipate spending a lot of time, but you know, with things like this, I usually like just taking my time with shopping. So yeah, let's go do that. I'll see you guys. If you haven't already subscribed to this family, definitely consider joining, especially if you enjoy videos like this. I make this kind of videos and I upload Tuesdays, Fridays and Sundays. I have been consistent since December last year, so whoop.
While you drinking, fade away on my friend's day, fade away.
Guys, so I just got back. This one is like not strong enough, but I think I'm too tired. I can't go back to Target, to Walmart, but I like it. It blocks out the light really well. I got some eye patches, some dermaplaning razors, shaving stick, face scrub, lip mask. You need to find out what?
Actually, I need to file an amended return. My taxes for 2020.
Oh, that's true. I need to file mine. Well, in summary, I'm owing government more money than refund because of the scholarship. Yeah.
That's why you have the child tax. Everybody, mind my business.
So guys, I applied Carol's daughter Prepoo on my hair. That's what's on my hair. I'll be going in the shower to go wash it off, but before that I want to shave my face before doing that, and then go into the shower and wash my hair, and then do the bathtub one, and then have my bath. So it's a long process, but I want you guys to bear with me. This is typically what I would do when I just want to relax and just enjoy myself and get rid of that stress. Okay, so I'll be right back. And guys, that's basically everything with my self-care selfish routine. I feel so good. My skin feels so fresh. As you can see, my skin is literally just so happy. I feel really good as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and sleep. The lip mask I used was really good as well. My lips feel so soft. I'm gonna go find my camera cover, but that's basically everything. I hope you subscribe, join the family. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.